I'm here to show you how we make our smoked candied bacon. To start, you take a simple syrup, which is comprised of 1 cup of warm water and 1 cup of brown sugar, mixed together really well. Then, we're going to take a standard cookie sheet and a piece of parchment paper. All you need to do is take any paintbrush, so long as it has natural bristles, so that if any of them come out, it's not going to make you sick. Dunk it into your simple syrup and paint the parchment paper really well. Don't be afraid to put a nice thick layer on top of it. After you've covered the paper with the simple syrup, you're going to line it with your favorite bacon. I like to use a double thick, single smoked bacon. And then you're going to line it up on the cookie sheet so that they're just not touching. Take your brush again and reapply your simple syrup all over the bacon. It's the simple syrup itself that's going to create the candying effect. Once you're done, you're going to season with a little bit of black pepper and generously apply it over the bacon to create a single layer. Don't be shy. The sugar really balances this out. Then take your chili flakes and put a little bit less, unless you like it really hot. What you'll have here is a perfect balance of sweet and savory. Sweet in the candy, savory in the spice. Take your bacon, you can put it in the oven at 350 for an hour and a half. We use this on our brisket burger to help create a sandwich with just a little bit more flavor.